In this video, I'll guide you through how to join a video meeting with a code in Gmail. Whether you've been sent a meeting code by a coworker, a teacher, or a friend, I'll walk you through each step so you can get into your call quickly and without any confusion. First, start by opening Gmail. You can do this in any web browser by going to the Gmail website and signing in with your Google account, or by opening the Gmail app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you use more than one Google account, so you join the meeting from the right email profile. Once Gmail is open, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. If you're on a computer, you should see a section labeled Meet. On mobile, this might appear as a tab or option at the bottom or in the side menu. The Meet section is where Google groups all your video meeting options directly inside Gmail, so you don't have to open a separate app. Next, click on the Meet section to expand it if it's not already open. Inside, you'll see a couple of choices related to video meetings. Here, you're looking for the option that says Join a Meeting. Go ahead and select that. This tells Gmail that you're not starting a new meeting yourself, but instead joining one that already exists. After you click Join a Meeting, a small window or field will appear asking you to enter a meeting code. This code is usually provided by the person who scheduled the meeting. It might look like a combination of letters, sometimes grouped with dashes or spaces. Carefully type the meeting code exactly as it was given to you. If you're copying and pasting, double check that you haven't accidentally added any extra spaces at the beginning or end. If you're unsure about the code format, it's a good idea to refer back to the original invitation or message where the code was shared. Entering the code correctly is important because even a small typo can prevent you from joining the right meeting. Once you've entered the meeting code and confirmed it looks correct, the final step is to click the Join button. When you do this, Gmail will connect you to the video meeting associated with that code. You may see a preview screen first, where you can check your camera and microphone settings. This is a good moment to make sure your camera is positioned how you like and that your microphone is working and not muted if you plan to speak. After you're ready, approve any prompts to join and you'll be placed into the meeting. If the organizer has enabled a waiting room or requires approval, you might see a message saying you're waiting to be let in. Just stay on that screen until the host admits you, and that's all there is to it. By opening Gmail, going to the Meet section, choosing to join a meeting, entering your meeting code, and clicking Join, you can quickly access any video meeting you've been invited to, all without leaving your inbox.